Hey friends, and welcome to the Graphic Vault. In today's video, we're gonna dive into some really cool sketching tips for your merch designs. So, if you want to draw out your own designs, but you are struggling with the sketching phase, this one's for you. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, feeling overwhelmed by the desire to create something amazing. Or maybe your sketches turn out to be whack. Fear not, it's all not that doom and gloom as you might think. Let's break down some essential tips on how to transform that blank page into some nice designs. Tip number 1: brainstorming. The first step is all about gathering inspiration. So grab a notebook, your phone, or anything that helps you capture those fleeting ideas. Make a mind map around your central topic or idea and write as much stuff down as you can. Don't worry about whether you're gonna use all the ideas in your final designs or not. It's all about getting as much input as possible to get your creative juices floating. Tip number 2: references are your friend. Sometimes inspiration needs a little nudge, so use reference images. These can be photos you take, cool illustrations you find online, or anything that helps you visualize the objects or styles you want to include. Remember though, these references are there to guide you, so don't be a copycat. Tip number 3: sketching as a progress. Now to the sketching. Don't worry about making mistakes. They are simply stepping stones to improvement. You don't need to be a Picasso or Kim Jong-gi to create awesome designs. Just relax, let your hand flow, and get those ideas onto the page. Don't be afraid to get messy. Here's a bonus pro tip: use thicker lines when sketching. This helps you focus on the overall shapes instead of getting bogged down in details right away. Tip number 4: multipass sketching. Chances are your first sketch won't be your final masterpiece, and that's totally okay. It's actually good to do multiple sketching passes. Refine your shapes, play around with different compositions, and add details later on. Each pass brings you closer to your ultimate design. Tip number 5: quality over perfection. Here's the golden rule: strive for quality, not perfection. Don't get hung up on making every line flawless. Sometimes a little imperfection can add character and charm to your design. Trust the process and just let your creativity shine through. There you have it. Just keep these tips in mind while you're sketching, and with a little dedication, you'll be sketching incredible designs in no time. Remember, trust the process and have fun. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe for more creative inspiration, and leave a comment down below with any questions you might have. Until next time, peace!